Can you guess who these famous personalities are? Each of these personalities contributed towards the betterment of the Indian society during the British era. There are 4 clues provided to you vertically for each of these personalities. The first personality was born in Bengal, was against the practice of sati. He founded the Brahmo Samaj and was given the title of Raja. The second personality rejected idol worship, educated his wife, founded the Satyashodak Samaj and opened the first girls' school in Pune. The next personality laid emphasis on one supreme God. He opened night schools for workers and was one of the founding members of the Prarthana Samaj and also responsible for opening orphanages. The next personality started the DAB schools. He regarded the Vedas as holy books. He was for widow remarriage and was the founder of Arya Samaj. The next personality has a rock memorial to his name. He attended a meet on religions in Chicago. He gave a message to the youth of India and his guru was Paramahansa. He founded the Scientific Society, edited the Ain-e-Akbari, went to England and founded the MAOC or the Muslim Aligarh Oriental College. This personality wrote essays about women's rights, demanded gender equality, challenged the patriarchal system, and received the support of Mahatma Phule. The last personality wanted public water bodies open to all. He burnt the Manu Smriti, converted to Buddhism, and was the chairman of the drafting committee. The personalities in order of the clues are Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dr. R.G. Bhandarkar, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Swami Vivekanand, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Tarabai Shinde, and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. One might ask, who were these people? They were social and religious reformers. They were visionaries in the Indian society who were aware that political freedom was not adequate without internal transformation. They felt the need of creating a new Indian society which cherished the progressive values of freedom, equality, fraternity, and humanism. Therefore, they began to work towards creating mass awareness on various social and religious issues. The social and religious reformers had the task of cleansing the Indian society of the following evils that plagued it: caste discrimination, idol worship, child marriage, no widow remarriage, polygamy or marrying more than one time, the emancipation of women who were suppressed, people who were orthodox, the practice of sati, wherein a woman would immolate herself on the funeral pyre of her husband, the patriarchal system where men were considered to be the head of the family, intercaste marriages which were not allowed, untouchability which resulted in the lower caste people being shunned, gender bias, the difference between men and women, polytheism, the worship of more than one god, superstitions like crossing the 7 seas would mean losing your caste, the Parda system which meant the segregation of women. The following slides tabulate the work of the various social and religious reformers. Here we have the work of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, who was born in Bengal and given the title of Raja by the Mughal Emperor. He founded the Atmiya Sabha, which became a platform for searching similar value systems of different religions. In 1828, he founded the Brahmo Samaj, which believed that God is one. He opposed child marriage, was against Parda system, and was for anti-colonial movements. His efforts led to the abolition of sati by Lord William Bentinck in 1829. He opened an English medium school. He supported the liberal people in Spain against monarchical rule. In 1830, he went to England to plead the Mughal Emperor's case. He also went to England and France to create awareness about the conditions of the Indians. Amongst his publications, he translated Sanskrit Upanishads into Bengali. He published a letter about the evil practice of sati which led to its abolition. He published the first weekly in Bengali and another in Persian. Through his writings and works, he laid the foundation of modern India. He greatly inspired the Jnana Prasar Sabha, the Paramhansa Sabha, and the Manav Dharma Sabha.